Okay, here we go. The Gws P38. Uncut raw vintage. Let's see what happens. I put a latch on this because last time on an outside loop, battery went one way, plane went the other. So now, hoping that that resolved with the latch. There's the rest of the flight line. Little Bearcat and an F-22. Quick control check. Alright. Slight breeze from the north. These are 4100 kilovolt motors on gear drives. Yes, gear drives. So it's got a better than 1-to-1 thrust ratio. That's a for sure. It's about half throttle. Bring her down the flight line. A little bit of tail wagging there. Could be some turbulence. Could be my shaking. She is so I've toyed with the idea of throwing some retracts on this just for fun. And I may just do that. Because it's completely reinforced. Got lots of carbon in it. Oh great, now I got a perfect crosswind. Wind is coming directly from the east, right where it's pointed away from. So, let's set it up for a little touch and go. I don't like the bounce. We're going to do that again. See if I can bleed off some more speed. That's more like it. Consequently, this is running with a 2200 3-cell. I did put a 4-cell in it once, but I'm afraid I'm going to melt those gearboxes. That's for all the dust dot haters. Hope it showed up. As you can see, it can slow right down. So I think throwing some retracts in it is not going to make a world of difference for flying. Okay. There's the Canada geese in the background. I hope they don't come into my area. There you have it. She's back in the sky. Cheers, gentlemen and ladies. All you chicks watching, take care.